Hello guys, we're off to sunny Southport today, where we're just doing some small repairs outside. We've got to remove some ivory off the building and do some pointing work. Only a very small job, but it's about an hour and 10 minutes from Manchester Drive. We get paid for travel time, so we price that into the job, so it doesn't bother us going there. Anyway, if you're not subscribing, hit the subscribe button, press the little bell button as well so you get notifications of when our videos upload, and enjoy the video. Okay, here's the job. Just got to take all this ivory off the wall. All this has got to come off, and I've got a brick up there to replace and some pointing to do if it needs it anywhere. Just going to start ripping it all off. Got to be careful for like wires and stuff. Take all that off. Bring a bit of scrape off as well. Okay, we've got all that off now, that side. Got this little section here to get off. So we're going to start at the top this time, so we don't get all the crap coming down on us. A lesson learned. Just going to start this bit scraping off with a small trowel, just to avoid this cable here. There's another cable a little bit further down that we've got to watch down there, which is a BT cable. Just carefully get that first bit off, and then we'll switch over to the big one. I'm just going to go out with the shovel, start taking that off. Top bit comes off a lot easier on the bottom because it's newer. Goes right into the bricks. It's a right pain to get off. It's looking better now. Got it all off the bottom there. Just got this last little bit here now. Get off. Take that off. I'm going to clean up all the mess here and have a look at the brickwork that he's doing. There's definitely one brick there that he's taking out, changing. Right, what we're doing now, taking these bricks out. We've got one up there, one up there. All we're doing for that, drilling a few holes all around the motor and knocking it out. And I'm going to replace that one and that one up there. Right, drill. Okay, we've got a small mix made. I'm just going to fill these 2 holes in now with new bricks. First off, we're just going to give it a bit of a dampen. Don't dry out too quick. Lovely. Fill that up. Put onto the brick. Repair guys, we're doing this because of some damp issues inside the property, and these are the jobs that have been requested by the building management company for us to do. So that is what we are doing. After we've completed these external repairs, we've had a look inside the property, and we're coming back at a later date to do the internal repairs, which is just some decorating, damp sealing and a bit of wallpapering as well. Okay, that's it all done now. All the ivory's off. We replaced a couple of the bricks, one up there, one there. We've done a little bit of pointing wherever it needed it. Just going to give everything a quick blow down now, and then we're off to the next job. So guys, we've all finished at that job now in Southport. We're just gonna get some dinner, grab some dinner, and we're heading back to Manchester for some other jobs. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Bye.